So in this video, we shall be looking at how to reset the oil life percentage of your Honda Accord cars. This is very important, especially if you carry out an engine oil maintenance. So at this point, he's now turning in the oil. As you can see, it's a 5W20 full synthetic oil. So he's now turning it into the engine. So after that, we'll now move into the car and we'll reset the percentage just like I told you about. So the car is still on, so at the moment he said that I should wait for a while for the engine oil to circulate before we now rev to see if there will be any leakage. There you go. Okay, this way. Okay. Full?
Yes.
Is it okay? So match?
Yes.
Okay, so at this moment I'm revving to see. So you can see. Again?
Yeah.
Okay. That's my leg, So, okay. So we just finished revving the car and the mechanic have confirmed that there's no leakage, oil leakage down below. So the next thing you should do, which is the most important, is to reset the oil life percentage. So now let me show you how to do that. You don't need to start the car, just turn on the car. You don't need to start the engine. I mean, as you can see, this is the dashboard, and behold, you see this knob right here, this very knob. Hold on. This knob right here. So all you have to do is to change this to the oil life percentage part. As you can see, at the moment the oil life percentage is 70%, which means the previous oil that I just changed was at the 70% level until I have to change it. Now to change it back, you need to like reset this to go back to 100 because I just finished pouring in a new oil. So now to do that, let me show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do, this same knob, you hold on this knob and you hold it for like 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Sorry, for like 10 seconds. As you can see, it's now going off and on. Let me show you. So now once it has gotten to this level, the next thing you have to do is to turn off the car. You now wait for some few seconds and you turn it again. Automatically, as you can see, it's still on 70%. Now you hold the knob once again for some few seconds. Probably like 10 seconds. Good afternoon. Now you're switching off. You hold it down. And now you can see it has now gotten to 100%. So the first step is you hold it down. So once it started blinking, you hold it down for another few seconds, then it has switched to 100%. Now you have to do is to turn off the car, then automatically, once you turn it on again, it will be at the 100% level. So that is how easy it is for you to reset your oil life percentage to get back to 100 once you make an oil maintenance or you actually change your oil. So if you like this video and you like the step, simply hit the subscribe button, share this video for as many friends of yours who wants to learn how to do this and to reset the oil life percentage. Remember, I said it's very, very important because you normally check your dashboard when driving. So now let's switch back to the normal view. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. So go to the comment section and ask a question if you are confused in any angle. I will see you in my next video.